We're Em and Cy, and today we're taking you along to hike one of our top 3 favorite trails in Arkansas.
Okay, go. Yeah, you do. Today we're hiking to Hempton Hollow Waterfall. It's an awesome hike that we've hiked before. It's really more of a climb because on the way back you're going to be going up 1,500 feet of elevation in less than like 2.5 miles. So it's quite a climb on the way back. The way down to the falls is really easy, although it's kind of working your knees because it's like straight downhill. The first time we hiked this, it was the middle of summer and it was over 90 degrees with over 80% humidity, and it was super hard. So the fact that it is like in the mid 70s, beautiful spring day, is definitely gonna make the hike back out a lot easier. And we brought full hydration bladders with us because this summer we got super dehydrated because we did not pack in enough water and we had to ration it, and man, it was terrible. So I'm really thankful for our new hydration bladders because that's gonna make this hike so much better. What? That's not a strange southern accent. It's how is that a combination?
Northern and your southern.
Well, yeah, if y'all didn't know, I grew up in Minnesota.
Y'all.
How is saying y'all weird?
Hola.
No.
Hola.
Sai says that my southern accent sounds like a really bad English speaker trying to speak like really bad Spanish or something.
No, they're trying to speak good Spanish. They're just not great at it.
So being from Minnesota, when I moved down south, nobody could understand me because we say some words differently. And so now I have like this super weird hybrid accent and everybody's like, where are you from? Because nobody can ever figure it out. So now you know. Oh, you're going this way. I really thought you were gonna go the other way. Oh, work smarter, not harder, guys. Ah!
You know, last time I held this thing, you fell off a cliff.
Well, we're not by any cliffs right now.
Maybe we'll find a way.
Oh, Sai, are you okay?
Yeah.
I literally flipped that around so I got it. Oh, please don't give your mother a heart attack. But what?
I catapulted myself further than I thought I was gonna.
You have nothing to prove to anyone out here, okay? Like, unless you're Sai trying to impress his wife, you just do what you can. And if you're a mom or a dad with a baby on your back, I salute you because
Babies are stinky.
no,
That's not why?
no, because I think that's pretty honorable and I love it and I want to be able to do that someday. But anybody out here attempting this hike, I salute you because it's not an easy hike. And if you feel like you really want to do a hard hike, then I think that you should just train for it and not try to push yourself before you're too ready. I can tell you, when I went hiking in Colorado at elevation, it really kicked my butt. So I started running, and now hiking is just so much more enjoyable and I feel more confident. What are you doing?
Right, whoops.
Oh.
dangerous, Ellis. I haven't walked into a single spider web.
We still have 500 feet to descend. We're only at 2/3 of the way there. My legs are shaking a little bit because we're trying to be really careful. So that way you go to the river, the Buffalo, but we're going to the falls. Oh, look at that, Sai. Oh man. Or you can come if you want, but I'm gonna go down there. Is that okay?
Yeah, as long as you don't fall.
I won't fall. This part you have just a tiny bit of an uphill before you go downhill again, and then you're there to the falls. So if you ever want to see Hempton Hollow and you love to float but you don't love to climb, you can actually come to see this waterfall by hiking from the Buffalo, and it's a much more doable hike because you just have about 300 feet of elevation gain.
Next on Searching for Squatchy.
Here it is, Sai.
You can do it.
Sai, this is not good.